everyone, Mackenzie here. In this video, I'm going to show you what to do if you have embedded a Google Slide or a Bitmoji Classroom and it looks like this on your page. I'm not even really sure what language this is, but I think what it is saying is that you have your share settings on that Bitmoji Classroom or on that Google Slide set to where only you can see it, so it's private. So what we would have to do is we would have to open up that Google Slide or that Bitmoji Classroom and make sure that we set the share settings so that anyone with the link can view it. So I'm going to open up that Google Slide, and this was the slide that I wanted to be on there. And whenever you embed something, you will be able to see what it looks like. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to click on the share settings. So I'm going to come up here to this little yellow button that says share. So right now, only I can see this. You can see that only I can see this Google Slide. So in order for anyone to see it with the link, I'm going to come down here and click on Change Link. And I'm going to click on this drop-down arrow right here next to where it says Savannah Chatham Public School System. And I'm going to click on anyone with the link. So now anyone on the internet with this link can view this Google Slide. And I'm going to click Done. And remember, if you want whoever is viewing your Google Slide or your Bitmoji Classroom to only see it in the present mode, you would come up here, you would click to the end of the URL, and you would get rid of everything after the slash and type in preview, and then click enter. Now I can just click on this URL, copy, and now I'm going to come back in here and we're going to get rid of the old embedded link, click on the embed tool, right click, paste, and now instead of seeing that weird funky language, we can see the cute little Google Slide that we have created. So I'm going to click on insert. And again, it's not going to show you right here, but as soon as you click OK, it will show it to you. So I'm going to click on OK. And now they can see the embedded link. Another thing that I'll show you that I really haven't found a way to get around is even when you resize it, it will only get so big. So I'm trying to make it bigger so that it'll fill up the space, but it's not going to. It's for some reason, anything that is embedded will only be that big. So I'm sorry, I don't know exactly what we could do to fix that, except unless you wanted to take a snip of the first page of the Google Slide and just link it. That way you could resize it to fill up the whole thing. But otherwise, that is how you fix that little problem within It's Learning. I hope that helps.